Hello and welcome to another video in the ServiceNow item. So far, we have covered key operational concepts, analytics and integrations. Now we move into one of the most powerful evolution in the ITOM, artificial intelligence. AI is transforming how IT operations work from reactive to predictive, intelligent and automated. In this session, we will cover predictive AI ops, metric intelligence, operational intelligence benefits, orchestration with AI. Let's start by understanding how AI fits into ITOM. Predictive AI Ops. AI Ops stands for Artificial Intelligence for IT Operations. Predictive AI Ops helps IT teams to get ahead of problems before they impact users or services. Pattern recognition. It analyzes large volumes of event and metric data to detect anomalies. Early warnings. It can alert teams about potential outage and degradation before they occur. Noise reduction. It filters out irrelevant events and focus on the high impact alert. Proactive action. Team can respond faster and even automate remediation. In ServiceNow, AI Ops work closely with the event management and monitor to bring context and intelligence to raw data. Metric intelligence. Metric intelligence is a core component that helps track and analyze performance over time. Real-time metrics pulls in performance data from infrastructures, apps, and cloud environments. Baseline learning learn what normal looks like and flags any deviation. Anomaly detection instantly spots outliers without needing manual thresholds. Root cause suggestions correlates metrics with alerts and changes to identify where the issue began. With metric intelligence, teams move from reacting to alerts toward data-driven decision and smarter response. Operational intelligence benefits. Let's talk about the overall value AI brings to IT operations. Improved visibility. AI connects the dots across CIs, services and metrics. Faster resolution. With recommendation and automation, issues get resolved in less time, reduced downtime. Predictive alerts help avoid outage or minimize their impact. Increased efficiency. Less time is spent manually analyze data or chasing false positives. In short, operational intelligence turns raw data into insight and action, helping organizations maintain service health and consistently. Orchestration with AI. AI doesn't stop at analysis, it also enhances orchestration. Trigger smart workflows. Based on AI insights, workflows can start automatically to resolve problems. Closed loop automation incident can be created, updated or closed without manual intervention. Intelligent routing tickets and alerts can be assigned to the right team based on the history and context. Scalable solutions. As your environment grows, AI scales with it, keeping operations efficient. Together, AI and orchestration turn your ITOM platform into a self-healing intelligent system. To wrap up, AI in ITOM changes the game by making your operations predictive, intelligent, and proactive. We covered how predictive AI ops prevents issues, the role of metric intelligence, benefits of operational intelligence, how AI enhances orchestration and response. In the next video, we will look at item optimization where we tie together strategy, governance and best practice for long-term success. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.